Hi guys! Capturing amazing aerial shots has never been this fun with the best lightweight mini drone that is easy to carry and simple to fly. Today on Best Product, we are taking a closer look at the Holystone HS360S lightweight mini drone. Let's get started. If you love travel, adventure, or just creating cool videos, this drone is designed to make everything easier and more exciting. The Holystone HS360S is super lightweight, so you can carry it in your bag without even noticing it. This makes it perfect for quick trips, outdoor adventures, or even casual flying in your free time. You do not need to worry about complicated setups, which means you can focus more on enjoying the moment. Once you get it in the air, the camera really shines. It captures sharp 4K video and clear photos that look vibrant and detailed. The wide-angle lens helps you fit more into every shot, whether you're filming landscapes, city views, or fun moments with friends. You can also adjust the camera angle easily, so getting that perfect shot feels smooth and natural instead of frustrating. Flying this drone feels very comfortable, even if you are new to drones. The built-in GPS keeps it stable in the air, so you do not have to constantly worry about control. It also has a smart return feature, which means the drone can safely come back to you if the battery runs low or if the connection drops. This gives you extra confidence every time you send it up into the sky. Another thing that makes the Holystone HS360S lightweight mini drone stand out is how smart it is during flight. With features like follow mode and waypoint flying, the drone can move on its own while you focus on capturing great footage. You can create cinematic shots with just a few taps, which makes it feel like you are using a much more advanced setup without the stress. The connection system is also very reliable, giving you a strong signal even at long distances. This means you can explore wider areas and still see everything clearly on your phone in real time. The battery life is long enough to enjoy a full session, so you do not feel rushed while capturing your shots. In real life, this drone is perfect for beginners, travelers, content creators, and anyone who wants to experience aerial photography without hassle. It combines smart features, strong performance, and easy control in one compact design. Ready to take your creativity to new heights? Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome tech finds.